Good morning, guys. How y'all doing today? As you could tell, I literally just got up and it's like 8:30. So a little late, but I don't mind it today. It's alright to be late today. There's nothing wrong with being late today. So I'm actually just gonna go get ready and then get my egg sandwich and then get going. So yeah. I'll figure out. Excuse me, and then I'll figure out what else is going on today. Alright. So let me go get ready. Oh god. And see how this day turns out. What's up, guys? Ready to go? Now, I'm gonna get ready to go get my egg sandwich, and then I'll be out cutting lawns. So, let's go. Off to Manhattan Bagel on this beautiful day. On this beautiful Friday. Let's do this. What's up, guys? Alright. I swear, every time I'm recording, I'm always yawning. I swear. Anyway. My breakfast was good. Now I'm pretty much just getting ready to go out and mow that lawn I gotta mow. And then pretty much still do whatever after. Because I still have no idea what to do. What I'm gonna do after yet. So, I will figure this out. I don't know why the hell I always yawn when I'm recording. Like, I'm not even tired. God. It's very annoying. Anyway. Yeah. It's a beautiful day, so it's great for mowing. I have nothing, I don't know where I was going with that. No clue where the hell I was going with that. Ugh. Alright, well, I should probably get going before it gets... Damn, before it gets too hot out, but I don't think it's really gonna get too hot out today. So, let's get going. Let's get going. What's up, guys? Alright, I'm out here at the house getting ready to cut it and figured, might as well just do an update. Focus. And it's actually still a little dark because the exposure's still not, set right. Come on, why are you out of focus? You damn bitch. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick update, It's a beautiful day out right now, so it's gonna be a good day. I'm still dark, I could see it, so alright. I still gotta play with the exposure on this camera still. That's also why I wanted to just give you guys a quick update, because I want to see how it does outside, when it's bright out like this, so this is good. I like it. Alright, I'm gonna get this lawn done, and then I might actually finally detail my whole entire truck after I get done, because I gotta, when I mean detail my whole entire truck, I mean detail my whole entire truck. I gotta vacuum the whole inside out, I gotta wash the whole damn thing, I gotta do the tires, I gotta detail the whole truck. So, yeah. What's up, guys? Alright, so just about done with this lawn. I gotta just now blow everything off. Problem is though, with the wind, it's gonna make it a real pain in the ass to try and blow off. So I'm just gonna do my best with it and see what happens. And my buddy's trying to FaceTime me, but I don't really give a shit. I'll call him back. But yeah. So I'm pretty much done with this. I'm just taking a little break in the cool air. Alright, so I will see you guys later, because my buddy's really calling me. Alright guys, done with that lawn. So now I'm actually going to go home, unload this shit, and then I'm definitely going to detail my truck when I get home. I'm going to vacuum it completely out, I'm going to wash it, air dry it, and do the tires. My truck is going to look good when I'm done with it. But I'm definitely going to detail it because it's way overdue. And now it's a great day and a nice day to do it, so definitely going to detail my truck. Because it just looks horrible. What's up, guys? This battery's going to die. Alright, well, let's see if I can get this in. Well, I'm getting ready to detail my truck. Alright, guys. I'm back. Just had to change the battery. I'm actually getting ready to detail my truck, you know, make it purdy again. And Sam Snapchat has a Snap story. So let's go quick check this out first.
When my best friend forgets to pick me up because she's fucking caught up in watching The Incredibles. I respect that. I respect that. No shame in your game.
Sam, you're too funny. You're literally too funny, Sam. Alright, now I'm gonna go detail my truck. And then hopefully relax before I have to eat dinner and get ready for work. So let's do this. Alright guys, so this is the before picture. How disgusting, you know, my truck is. Just literally how disgusting it is. That's the before. And now I'm gonna go detail it and then get the after. Let's get this going. Cause I want to get this whole truck done. I want to get this whole truck done and then be able to relax. Alright guys, done vacuuming. Now check it. Looks so much cleaner now. Looks great. It looks so clean. Look at that. I know that side's hard to tell, but it's beautifully clean. Now wash it. Look at this dirty beast here. She's disgusting. Just look at the tire. It is disgusting. She's just filthy. Bird crap, you know. Look at this. She's just disgusting. Look at this. Ready? I bet you. Yeah, it comes off. Ready? Yeah. She's dirty. She's a dirty beast. I just can't get over the tires. I mean, I haven't washed her probably since last summer or whatnot. Definitely probably since last summer I haven't washed her because then I just didn't have time, and then it became winter and then there was no point to wash her. So yeah, I'm gonna say probably till about last summer. But now now she's definitely gonna get washed and she's gonna be fucking beautiful again. She's gonna be beautiful. She's gonna shine, she's gonna look great. Let's get to it. Alright guys, here she is. She's beautiful now. Look at that. Beautiful. Not shiny yet, but I gotta just quick take it for an air dry. I gotta quick take it for an air dry, and then come back and I'll shine up the tires. Look at this. She's beautiful now. She is beautiful. Beautiful. Mwah. She's beautiful. So, gonna take it for a quick air dry, then I'll come back and shine up the tires. What's up guys? Alright, just sprayed the tires. Now I gotta just let it sit for 15 minutes or so to really soak in and get best results. So with that, I'm actually gonna then back it back in the garage and let the tires sit, and then they'll be shiny as shit. But check it out so far. I mean, look at that. It looks so much better already. Like, damn. Now, once that soaks in and dries, the tires are gonna be unbelievably awesome. She's beauty. She is beautiful. She is literally beautiful. Look at them. They're already shining, but really give it time, they'll really shine. But look at this beauty. This beauty is nice and clean and shiny now. One thing I gotta do is I gotta do the inside of the windshield, because that's just a little dirty. But damn, look at this beauty. Look at the shine coming off of her. She is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that shine. Now, if that's not awesome, then I don't know what is. She's pretty. Pretty. Alright guys, I will catch you guys later, because now I'm going to back her in, and then I will finally relax, and then obviously I'll show you guys when the tires are all dry, what they really look like. So, alright, stupid camera, come on. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Check it guys, the two newest additions. Shit's awesome. I got one more sticker to put on, but it's a fire department sticker. It's a cool one. I gotta just figure out where I'm gonna put it now. There you go. Alright guys, check it out. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is awesome. That thing looks sick. Look at the tires as they're drying. That was the last one that I did, but that one's really getting good. Really coming out. Actually, this is the last one that I did. My bad. But it's really coming out. Look at that. Like I said, just really give it time to dry. Once it really does dry, oh my god, is it beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. Alright guys, guess what? So far it looks like, I guess, 2 eggs hatched. And, sorry, I'm like really close. In, the robin's nest. And unfortunately, I don't think I got those 2 on the time lapse, because the GoPro is really starting to fucking piss me off a lot. But hopefully I can get the last 2 on the time lapse if the GoPro decides to actually work like it's supposed to. Actually, you know what? I might just say fuck the time lapse, and I'm just gonna record. It'll give me 5 hours. Hopefully they'll be done in like 5 hours and whatever. Hopefully, but yep. 2 of them so far have hatched. they're so weird and cool at the same time. Oh, come on, focus with the exposure. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Well, this is a bad angle for me. I have no idea if you guys could see this. I mean, because I can't. There. There. Hopefully you guys can see them and how there's still 2 eggs left. That's just awesome. That's literally so cool. So I'm gonna see if this camera's still freaking good, this memory card, because if it is, then it means the fucking thing just shut off again. It's really pissing me off. But then I'm just gonna hit record, and I'm gonna let it record however, whatever's left on this card, rather than do time lapse, because time lapse is just not working. Because I've had this going for about a week now. I've been time lapsing this, and I still have to go through it and then really put it together. But the last of this, I'm just gonna record it. So, and unfortunately, this camera here doesn't do a time lapse. So, although I think it might, I don't know. I gotta check the settings. I think all cameras do it, but I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, okay. It looks like now, nope. See. For some reason with this goddamn camera, even though it's plugged in, it tends to shut off when it's not supposed to, and then it stops time-lapsing. There's still 4 hours and some odd minutes left on that memory card. But if I take the battery out to then just have it plugged in, because this is the fucking thing for it, well, that thing sucks. It literally sucks, and it does not like to power it. The only way that I know will power that without having the battery in it is if I have it connected to my laptop, but that's not going to happen. And I don't have any stronger plug, I don't think, that'll power that. But I mean, there's no point in doing it now. But even with that, it's plugged in, it says it's charging, which means it should be charging and the camera should not be going off. Like, I don't know if there's a safety feature built into the camera where if it starts to get overheated, it shuts off. Because I don't know if that's what's happening, because I'm having it on constantly time-lapsing. But I'm not entirely sure if that's the case. If it is, then that's just, in a way, okay, but in a way, it's stupid. Like, you're supposed to be a GoPro. You're supposed to be able to just handle this type of shit and be put through everything. So that might be the case. So I'm not entirely sure, but I know for a fact I didn't get these 2 babies hatched. So I want to try and attempt to get the last 2 babies on video. So with that, I'm actually going to just hit record, let it record, and then I'm going to go actually clear another memory card that is for this, and then wait for this to be done in like 4 hours and like 28 minutes or so. 4 hours, actually I'll be at work at that time. Fuck. I don't know if they'll give birth. I don't know if they'll hatch at night. Fuck. And then with this in particular GoPro, I'm only able to do a 32GB memory card in it. I can't do like a 64, which is what I wanted because it won't work, and it sucks. But oh well. But yeah. So I'm actually really happy now. And see, like it's still on the GoPro because I took it off of power saver and screensaver, so it's not supposed to go off for anything. So that's why I don't understand why it keeps going off whenever I have it time-lapsing for when it's not supposed to. And that's what's really, really pissing me off. But this is just adorable. These things are so cute. But I'm just gonna hit record. And now it's recording. So for the next 4 hours and 28 minutes, this thing's gonna be recording. And my oh my, is that gonna be a lot of footage to go through. And with recording it, I know there's a problem with recording such a long thing and then trying to break it down and into a vlog. It's a pain in the ass. But at this point in time, I really don't have any other choice but, come on, but to record. So it's gonna be like 4 hours and probably be like 5 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna really have to figure out how to edit this vlog. I mean, I know for a fact that this vlog is probably gonna be long as it is for the baby robins because of the time lapse and all the time lapse pictures that I still have to go through and whatnot. So I know that there's still gonna be a lot of footage to go through, but now when I'm recording, because it's recording, it's actually using up a lot. It's going to be a lot longer than time-lapse would be. Time-lapse is supposed to be for, obviously time-lapse, so it's going to be shorter. But I'll have to see what I could do with the recording of this and figure out exactly how I'm gonna incorporate now video now with this time-lapse vlog for this baby robins. So I'm gonna have to really just see what I could do and see how I could edit this up and hopefully make it come together nicely with the vlog. So I do know that this will come together really, really nicely, and it's going to look great when it does come together really, really nicely. So I'm actually happy about that, because that's a great thing. Because that's a great thing and a fantastic thing is when this baby robins vlog comes together. It's just going to look amazing, and it's going to be perfect. And it's really going to come together and see in time-lapse and of course now in video what it's going to look like. So I'm happy. Alright, so I'm going to go bring the shop vac back downstairs and then relax a little bit, empty out that one memory card that I got, so I have another memory card for this, and then get ready to eat dinner. My parents actually went out because they're going out to see some show or something, so I'm on my own tonight for dinner, which means I am probably most likely going to get Taco Bell rather than have leftovers, because depends on what leftovers are in there and if I'm really in the mood for leftovers, because usually Friday nights and when no one's home or whatnot, it's usually my Taco Bell night. So we'll see. Alright, I will catch you guys later. Okay, so I just remembered that I don't have to empty out that memory card, so I could free it up for that, because I'll worry about emptying those out when I want to put this whole vlog together, because there's just going to be so much that it usually tends to freeze my computer because there's just so much. I forgot I could take the memory card out of the vlogging GoPro, clear it, and use this memory card from the vlogging GoPro for that GoPro. So that way I don't have to bother trying to empty out a memory card or whatnot. Just take it out of the vlogging GoPro. Then obviously I'll put one back in. But I could take it out of this one and use that. I forgot about that. Alright. Now time to just, relax. Alright, guys. Check it out. Look at this beauty. Now that she's all dry, look at that sexy beast. Look at how shiny this sexy beast is. Look at that sexy shiny beast. Them wheels are awesome. Really, Spider? You're a dumb bitch. Stupid ass fucking thing. Look at them beauty. Look at that. Just look at that shine though. Damn. This shine almost makes you not want to even drive her because of how beautiful she looks. Some spots here from the stupid spray from the wind, and that's why that's actually dirty. That pisses me off. And I can't get rid of these damn freaking water spots. No matter what I do, them damn things will not come off, and that really, really annoys the shit out of me. Like, come on. Like, damn it. But obviously, you guys know where I'm going now. Go get Taco Bell. Get my Taco Bell. Of course, because that's what I always do, is get my Taco Bell. Let's just take a look at these beautiful, beautiful tires now. Rims and tires are mwah, beautiful. Shining. They are shining like beautiful, beautiful baby. These things are sick now. I love her. My beast, my sexy beast now, is nice and clean and just perfect. She's perfect. Alright, let's go get some Taco Bell and get off to work. Got my Taco Bell. Taco Bell. I love me my Taco Bell. Off to work now. What's up, guys? I'm back from work. I gotta actually just quick change the memory card in the GoPro upstairs for the robin's nest and get that going because I have to change it because obviously the memory card's full, so I will go do that right now. Then when I come back down here, gotta check out Sam's Snap Story, see what she posted in Snap Story, and get that going. Then I'll probably edit a vlog or two or whatnot. And yeah, meaning because I'm not planning on getting up early tomorrow. So, and I gotta get these damn vlogs done anyway, especially my business vlogs. Gotta definitely get those done. But now I'm starting to get behind now with these vlogs by a couple days, so I need to do these vlogs as well. And actually, I'm working on another vlog for this channel now. And then I gotta just really haul ass on my business vlogs. I'm so utterly behind on that it's not even funny anymore. And I need to seriously just get up to date with it because it's just not even funny. Alright, so let me go change the memory card on the GoPro, and then I'll get back down here with you guys to see Sam's Snap Story. Well, hot damn, Sam. Damn. You know what's going in the vlog, right?
Snapchat.
Damn, Sam. Why don't you just let the towel down a little bit more then? Christ. Oh, dear Lord in heaven. That's going in, in the vlog. I'm gonna go like, Hang on a second. Let's see if she answers, if she's actually up. I want to see if she actually fucking answers this time. Oh, come on, Sam. Oh, wait, look at that. She might actually answer. Fuck! She's on. Hold on, what did she say? What? What are you doing, Sam? I don't know how to do this! Fuck! I'm like dumb. I don't know how to do this. Hold on. Let me just text her now. And I apologize because you guys can't see this. Fuck! She's with her boyfriend. So she can't really video chat. Fuck. Alright. Oh, this is too funny. I don't know, you guys can't really see this and it sucks. Oh, wait, there we go. I can't type like this. Oh, mothers. What the fuck? I can't type like this. She's too funny. Alright, guys. I'll catch you guys later. I might end the vlog here. Yeah, I'll end the vlog here. So on that note, I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. So I will see you guys in the morning. I'm waiting for her to respond. She might take a while. Oh, come on, Sam. That took a while to respond, that's why. My vlogs basically are pretty much boring without putting her in them, because she actually makes my vlogs funny and like interesting, because nothing really interesting really happens in my life, so it's not really fun and interesting. My vlogs are usually boring as shit. Until I like started putting her in my vlogs, I've noticed that my views have been going up ever since I put her in my vlogs, because they've now become more interesting. And it's true, they have become more interesting ever since I started putting her in the vlogs. There it is, guys. Bacon, egg, and cheese for Manhattan bagel. And it looks delicious. Only because it is delicious. Just look at that cheese. Oh, the steam is fogging up the camera lens. Oh, damn. Woo! The steam is fogging up the lens. Look at that. Delicious, delicious. Focus. That's just yummy in my tummy. That's exactly what that is. Yummy in my tummy. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. And I'll say it again. This is the best you are going to get to a Long Island egg sandwich. So if you're ever in Delaware, stop by Manhattan Bagel for a Long Island egg sandwich. This is the closest, best thing you are going to get to a Long Island bacon, egg, and cheese. It's the closest thing. I assure you that.